What's up, y'all? We'll be focusing on the neck and shoulders today. And we'll start in a comfortable seat. Long spine. Rest your hands on your knees. An option to soften your eyes closed just for a moment. Grounding in with a few deep breaths. Focusing entirely on the breath. Begin to deepen your breath. Take a moment to set an intention for your practice or your day. And mentally repeat that intention now. And slowly blink your eyes open. Take a full breath in. And open mouth exhale. One more like that. Fully in. Empty out. Seal your lips. Breathe and bring your hands to heart center. On your next inhale, sweep your arms high overhead. And exhale, cactus out. Take a little bend. Reach back up, breath in. Exhale, twist to the right. Bring your left hand to your right knee. I'm mirroring you. Keep that length through your crown and gently work the gaze back till you feel that stretch in your neck. Take a couple more deep breaths here. Each exhale, working the twist just a little deeper. One more breath. And on your next inhale, arms sweep back up. Exhale, twist to the left. Right hand to left knee. Get that length through your crown. Breath in. And exhale, work that twist gently. Each inhale, a little bit more length. And each exhale, work that twist. Take one more breath here. And inhale back to center, arms reach up. Exhale, take another cactus, little deeper, open up. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, hands to your thighs. Extend your right arm out at 45 degrees. Bring your left ear to your left shoulder. Breathing into that neck stretch. Option here to play with the angle. You can roll your chin down and around. We're here for a few deep breaths. Again, just the breath. And energetically sending that breath towards your neck here. Take one more breath. And bring your right hand back to center, up to a neutral spine. And we'll take the other side. Left arm out, 45 degrees. Right ear to right shoulder. And notice right away the difference in tension from left to right. Option again to play with the angle, rolling your chin down and around. A few more deep breaths. Breathing with intention. A couple more like that. And bring your left hand back to center, up to a neutral spine. And bring your shoulders up to your ears. Roll them forward, down, and back. Take that one more time. Up, forward, down, and back. Last one like that. Up, forward, down, and back. Now switch directions. Up, back, and down. A couple more like that. Up, back, and down. Last one on your own. And interlace your hands behind the back of your head and allow that top part of your neck to drop, soften, bring your chin closer to your chest, working your upper back, your neck, the whole backside body really. And we're here for several breaths, allowing the full weight of your head and the weight of your hands, taking each breath, every exhale, a little bit deeper. We stay in poses for a little longer if we want to access those deeper tissues, the ligaments, joints, the fascia. It takes time. Take a couple more breaths here. Still try to maintain that deep, full breath. Last one like that. And release. And take some circles with your head all the way around. And get both directions. That full range of motion. And when you're ready, meet in a child's pose, back of your mat. No rush getting there at all. Knees wide, hips back, arms reach out long, and rest your forehead on the mat. Take a breath. And bend at your elbows and bring your hands to touch behind your head or the nape of your neck. If you'd like an added stretch for the lats, you can inch your elbows towards the front of your mat. It's subtle, but a big difference in the stretch. Dropping in. And a few deep breaths. And last full breath. And reground your hands. Shift your hips forward to a neutral table. Shoulders over wrists, hips stacked over knees. Inhale, cow pose, gaze up, open up. Exhale, cat pose, tuck your chin, tuck your tail, round your spine. Inhale, back to cow, open up. And exhale to a neutral spine. Getting some twisting in. We'll thread the needle, reach your right arm high. Inhale, open up. Stay here for a breath and roll that right wrist. Take that in both directions. One more breath here. Open up. And exhale, thread the needle. Right arm through and across, resting on your right temple. Extend your left arm out. You could tent your fingers. Option to wrap up for a bind here. Left hand to the outside of your right hip. Just an option. And when we start twisting, the breath begins to shorten. Still try to keep that depth in your breath through the practice. ground your left hand beneath your shoulder. On your next inhale, reach your right arm back up. And exhale, ground your right hand. Now switch it. Inhale, left arm, reach up. Stay here, breathe, and roll your wrist. Take both directions. And another breath. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, thread the needle, left arm under and across, resting your left temple. Option, whatever you did on the first side. If you took that bind, go for it. Again, breathe. Full breath. Getting those full exhales as well. 2 more like that. And bring your right hand beneath your shoulder, ground. Next inhale, left arm reaches back up. Exhale, ground your left hand. Shift your hips back to a hero's pose. And bring your hands to heart center. Take a full breath in. And open mouth exhale. One more breath like that. Let it go. Hands to third eye. And bow. Namaste. Thanks for joining. See you on the next one. Yee.